Good morning, all of you. So, in continuation with the same literature chapter, The Midnight Visitor, we'll be doing the question answers today. We have already done answer number 1, all right, but I will repeat it again for those who were absent that day. So, turn your books to page 118, 119. First question. Who was Fowler? Why was he following Ausable? The answer was Fowler was a young writer. Fowler was a young writer of romantic adventure. Romantic adventure. ADVENTURE. Fowler was a young writer of romantic adventure, full stop. He was following Ausable. He was following Ausable because he was told that Ausable, AUSABLE, name of a person, it should be written with a capital letter. A should be capital. AUSABLE, Ausable was a secret agent. Secret. 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 Secret agent, comma, spy, comma, dealing in espionage, means intelligence. ESPIONAGE. ESPIONAGE. Dealing in espionage and danger. Full stop. He wanted to witness mysterious figures, mysterious figures, mysterious figures, FIGURES, in the night, comma, secret meetings, and clever disguises, 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 full stop. Okay, copy the second question. Why did Ausable not fit the description of a secret agent? Okay. Number 2. Ausable did not fit the description. Ausable did not fit the description. 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 Description of a secret agent. Ausable did not fit the description of a secret agent. Full stop. He was a sloppy fat man. He was a sloppy, SLOPPY. SLOPPY. He was a sloppy fat man, comma, wearing, WEARING, wearing a wrinkled business suit. Wearing a wrinkled, WRINKLED, wrinkled business suit, BUSINESS, business suit, SUIT, business suit, full stop. Business suit, make it comma, business suit, comma, which was badly in need of cleaning. Stop sharing your screens, write down the answer. Which was badly in need of cleaning. Which was badly in need of cleaning. Full stop. Instead of having,
Mom, badly.
which was badly in need of cleaning. In need of cleaning. CLEANING. In need of cleaning. Full stop. Instead of having. Instead, INSTEAD. INSTEAD. Instead of having messages. Instead of having messages slipped into his hand. Instead of having messages slipped. 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 Slipped into his hands. Slipped into his hands by dark-eyed. DARK small dash EYED. DARK small dash EYED. Dark-eyed beauties. 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 By dark-eyed beauties, comma, he only got make it an, he only got an ordinary. He only got an ordinary, ORDINARY, ordinary telephone call, making an appointment. He only got an ordinary telephone call, making an appointment in his room. Making an appointment in his room. Full stop. Third one. What was Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day? What was Fowler's first authentic thrill of the day? Write down the answer. You can leave space for the question. Fowler's first, Fowler's, FOWLER''S, Fowler's first authentic thrill. Fowler's first authentic, 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 authentic thrill, 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 authentic thrill of the day was a man pointing a small, comma, automatic gun, small, comma, automatic, AUT, pointing a small, comma, automatic, 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 automatic gun at Ausable, automatic gun at Ausable, AUSABLE, again Ausable will be with a capital A, in his room. Automatic gun at Ausable in his room. Full stop. Number 4. Who was Max? How did he get inside Ausable's room? Who was Max? Question mark. How did he get inside Ausable's room? Write down the answer. Max was a slender man. Max was a slender, 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 slender man, comma, a little less than tall, a little less than tall, comma, who wanted the report, who wanted the report, REPORT, who wanted the report that Ausable was going to hand over to the officials. Who wanted the report that Ausable was going to hand over to the officials. OFFICIALS, OFFICIALS, officials. Full stop. He got into Ausable's room, Ausable's, apostrophe S. He got into Ausable's room, A-U-S-A-B-L-E apostrophe S, Ausable's room using a pass key. Ausable room using a pass key. Pass key is a single word, P-A-S-S-K-E-Y, and in brackets you can write master key. Master key, M-A-S-T-E-R-K-E-Y, master key. Master key, two separate words, but pass key, one single word. Full stop. Alright, fifth one. How did Ausable make Max believe that there was a balcony outside his window? How did Ausable make Max believe that there was a balcony outside his window? Okay, answer. Ausable showed his irritation. Ausable showed his irritation. I-R-R-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. I-R-R-I-T-A-T-I-O-N. Ausable showed his irritation over people. Showed his irritation over people getting into his room. Irritation over people getting into his room from the balcony outside. Getting in.
Ma'am, his irritation
Over people getting into his room. Over people getting into his room from the balcony outside his window. From the balcony, B-A-L-C-O-N-Y, B-A-L-C-O-N-Y, from the balcony outside his window. Balcony outside his window. Full stop. He told Max, Max, name of a person, M will be capital. He told Max that the room used to be part, P-A-R-T, of a larger unit, part of a larger unit, comma, and the balcony was connected, to an empty room, and the balcony was connected, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-E-D, C-O-N-N-E-C-T-E-D, connected to an empty room, E-M-P-T-Y, empty room 2 doors below, T-W-O, 2 doors below. Full stop. The management had promised. The management had promised Ausable. The management had promised Ausable to block it off. The management had promised Ausable to block it off, O-double-F, to block it off, comma, but they hadn't, H-A-D-N apostrophe T, H-A-D-N apostrophe T, but they hadn't, and Max was the second person, to get in, and Max was the second person to get in through that balcony, and Max was the second person to get in through that balcony, through T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through that balcony, B-A-L-C-O-N-Y, balcony, full stop. This story made Max believe, story made Max believe, B-E-L-I-E-V-E, B-E-L-I-E-V-E. This story made Max believe that there really was a balcony, that there really was a balcony outside, that there really was a balcony outside Ozable's window. Ozable's apostrophe S, was a balcony outside Ozable's window. Full stop. This story made Max believe that there really was a balcony outside Ozable's window. Full stop. 6.1. Who was Henry? How is his role important in the story? Who was Henry? How is his role important in the story? Okay. Write down the answer. Henry was a waiter. H-E-N-R-I, not Y. H-E-N-R-I. I, not Y. Henry was a waiter. W-A-I-T-E-R. W-A-I-T-E-R. Henry was a waiter, comma, not comma, full stop. Henry was a waiter, full stop. He had come to serve Ozable. He had come to serve Ozable a beverage. He had come to serve Ozable a beverage. B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. B-E-V-E-R-A-G-E. He had come to serve Ozable a beverage. Full stop. His role is important in the story. His role is important in the story because his role is important in the story because his arrival allows Ozable to make Max fearful. Allows Ozable to make Max also name of a person, Ozable also, so A-M respectively would be capital. His arrival allows Ozable to make Max fearful. Full stop. He told Max, after full stop, continue. He told Max that it was the police. He told Max that it was the police instead. He told Max that it was the police instead, and in order to hide, police instead, I-N-S-T-E-A-D. He told Max that it was the police instead, and in order to hide, comma, Max plunged to his death. Max plunged, P-L-U-N-G-E-D, P-L-U-N-G-E-D. Max plunged to his death. Max plunged to his death. Full stop. Alright, so this completes the answer these questions, and tomorrow when we meet, we will continue with the reference to context. Alright? Written all of you? Joshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. The rest of you, have you all written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. So we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue with reference to context.